line it up right now. I'm killing that Z. He don't want to run it. No, I don't really know. I've been tripping. I've been slacking on the content, dog. But it's all good. Right now, we're getting a used tire. I do need to do my control arms.
Yeah, fucking low on gas, and then, got to the gas station, put gas, try to crank it.
Life full of speed, got a pocket full of cash. I won't listen to a thing. Got it all figured out, chasing money, fuck a dream. Fucking bitches by the tools, putting on for the tune. I was wrong a couple times, but I don't regret a thing. Man, I started out with nothing, but I'm getting everything. Man, I'm married to the streets, just without the wedding ring. I swear you can keep the love, man, that shit don't mean a thing.
Sheesh.
What? It's a little difficult. What you think? What you thought of?
What? No.
That you thought of?
So for first glance, massive, and I mean massive oil leak, bro. Let me get my flashlight. So as you can see, we're working on a 1998 Honda Odyssey. As you can see, I already just took out the battery right now. Right now, we're troubleshooting. I'm just trying to figure out really what's good and what's not good, and then from there we can, find the problem. But anyways, here's the battery right now. You know what I'm saying? It says 623 on there, so it is pretty old. So hopefully it is just a battery, and then I could take it to AutoZone, they charge it up, or tell me it's bad. Then from there he could replace the battery if he wants. Yeah, no, I was going to. I was just putting my tool bag away.
Like what? A month ago?
Type shit. I could put it right here on the mount, but I feel like holding it.
I got a GoPro, bro, but that should be ass. Like not ass, but like I just want better quality.
What type of GoPro is it? I'd actually get Ray-Ban Metas.
Yeah,
That's the camera.
Just like what? $300.
Oh, what the fuck? I'm not going in, bro. Nigga, yo.
She let me use her car.
I don't be paying for shit.
I don't got a car yet, so why not?
Nigga, so why not pay for it? Basically my car. That's what he's saying. How long other nigga had the car for?
What?
The other car that's been getting worked on.
What are you talking about?
You said there's another car that it's just like some. Oh, he already fixed it?
No.
Okay then.
I told her.
What type of oil leak?
We don't know yet.
Imagine like some shit like that. I'm out here looking crazy, y'all.
Go ahead, getting there.
I'm about to cut this shit, bro.
Morning, get hot.
Yeah, not just hot. Just tired of it. They say hair hold energy. You know how many fucked it with this hair? from when it was in growing, like.
You heard of the Bible person Samson?
What about him?
He get his hair, energy from hair.
Yeah.
He get his strength from hair,
Which is true, because there is energy in here. That's what I'm saying, but it depends. Good energy, bad energy. White people don't got wool hair. Where everybody at, bro? I gotta wait in the line at this spot. That's not accurate. Finna see. You watch YouTube, bro? Joseph Venture. If you fuck with cars and fast shit and wild shit, fuck with my channel, bro. Type shit. 12.7, that's good votes, bro. I think it's gonna test good, bro. I forgot the correct term for this, but that's what I was gonna say, but that's not the correct term, and I don't want to sound stupid. But it's a battery holder. It's really called the battery support. I'm taking off the battery support right now, and What is this? Where does this go? Or is this all one piece? Okay, this is all one. The mic just died. So bear with me for like 5-10 minutes. This shit right here. Shit right here. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, but with that last clip, so buddy had need a starter. So I told him to order the starter. What was that? Yeah, I told buddy he needs a starter. So he's gonna order that. And I'm gonna throw that in for him. Yeah. That's why my phone had died though. So that's why the clip cut like that. What's going on, bro?
I'm about to run out of gas.
Oh yeah, yo. Oh yeah, yo, yeah. We can slide over there. Checking out the beast. It's looking like a little QR video today. Yeah, that is it. Big B58. Yeah. Look how big that intake is. That shit's, I ain't gonna lie, that shit's hard. That big boy right there. Yeah.
How we gonna do it? I'm gonna keep it low. I'm gonna keep it 700. Hey, I ran into my boy, man. This is the best one. I don't even care about that shit. Fuck the turbo, fuck all that shit. This one I'm rocking with right here.
You got it on all four though?
All four of it.
That boy cashed out.
Alright, so guys, here, this is my sleeper build. We're sitting on 18-inch stock, but 18s are the best because they're the smaller and you have more rotational spin. These line up perfectly with my 7-inch wells. And then come to the front of the car. We got, should I say first? We got the big turbo, 65 Omega. Shout out Remnant. The turbo kit works flawlessly. The car sounds like a diesel truck. Like you hear that bus take off, that's how I sound. Crazy. The kit came perfect. It came with charge pipes, came with intake. So I didn't have to buy anything. You know what I mean? I didn't have to buy anything. My car comes factory with high pressure fuel pump, and yeah, we got Sam dialing in the tune, so he's working the brains of the car. Right now, he has me on the base map, but I just put the flex fuel kit on here, so now I can run full E or 93 on the fly. You know, that's needed because mixing the gas, the hardest part about mixing your gas is when you already have gas in it. You're thinking so much. You're like, all right, if I already have half tank here, well, how much do I need to mix the perfect? You know, I said, fuck that shit. I need one or the other. I cannot do all that shit. Because one time I put full E in my car and I put 93 too, but no 93 came out the pump, bro. So what happened was I floored it. My car went pop, 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 pop. Shot like 5 seconds after. I couldn't even run, bro. I don't pull over. One thing about me, I ain't stopping. Y'all gonna have to come catch this big bitch. You know what I mean? And yeah, everything's been working flawlessly. This is a Gen 2, as you guys can see. Take a trip inside. Show y'all something special. I don't really show this to everybody, but y'all the venture gang, so I'm gonna show y'all some crazy stuff. You know what I mean?
Boy, got the last name too. That's crazy.
You know what I mean? All right, let's go. Yeah. Check that out. Y'all go check that out and tell me what y'all see, man. Tell me what y'all see. That big whopping 720. You think this is, what is this? A red eye? This is a red eye Beamer. Red eye Beamer. You know what I mean? I have right here, I have a full straight pipe, which I'm gonna be swapping out for a Valvetronic exhaust because it sounds like shit. Low speeds, it sounds like shit. Other than that, the car's real dirty right now, but other than that, that's it. I do have one thing I could fix. My lowering springs. When I turn at low speeds, they make loud ass noises. Like I crashed into something when I did it. I'm like, what the hell?
Hold on. What's up?
Nah, it's a lowering spring. Cause after I installed those, that's what's making the noise. And if you hear that ticking, we are port injected. Plop plop. My car is on crack. Yes, I said it. We are port injected. I'm getting the ports or feeding fuel or whatever it does. I don't know. I just bought that shit.
Not for that whole my car. I got index 12 injectors all throughout. My shit be loud as hell too.
Dealer gang, take that cover off. Watch them IATs drop 10%. Take the cover off. I was like, what? Free cooling? What? I need that.
Facts.
Everybody asked me, where's the cover? This thing looks like a rat's nest. I want to show people it. Shawty was vibing. Yeah. But yeah, guys, this is the beast. When she's dialed in, and after the dyno, we'll take her out. We'll do a video. We'll do a reaction video for you guys. And yeah, we got a lot of things in store for y'all, man. So yeah, just stay tuned. Watch the content. We'll probably do some rollers for you, and just enjoy the video, y'all. If you want to see more content of us go crazy, Big Body Supra on Instagram. Don't ask why it's called Big Body Supra. Just know it's a Big Body Supra. You dig?
All right, yeah. So I kind of forgot to film an outro. This is like a recurring thing for me. I don't know why. Nor do I have my mic on me right now. Tripping. But as always, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Do all that for the kid. I got more content coming as always. As always, y'all take care of yourself. And this is Joseph Venture logging out. Hey, hey, hey. All right, I'm out.
Willow made this one.